Right here we got a 6x12 two-tone enclosed trailer. Got the charcoal gray front, the black back. We can build this in any combination of colors if you want a different combination of colors. Got a 3,500 pound axle, LED lights. No brakes on the single axle, but we can add brakes to it. Got a one-piece aluminum roof. It's 16 on center on the sidewalls, 24 on center on the floor, and 24 on the roof. You got a 3/4 plywood floor, a 3/8 plywood walls. And you can see that one-piece aluminum roof there. There's no seams in the roof. Got a ramp door on it with a flap on the ramp door. Dual cable spring assist for the ramp door to make it easy to let up and down. Got LED dome light on the inside as well. This model's a 6x12. We do many different models, ranging anywhere from 4x6 to, as far as a bumper pull, 8.5 by 30 would be the longest. And then we can do gooseneck as well. You got steel wheels with radial tires. We can upgrade them to aluminum wheels if you want aluminum rails. That's a $150 upgrade on the single axle trailers.